I can assure you he's quite safe with me.
Look, I'm sure he is. But you have a large class, and he can get lost, from sight.
Oh my gosh! Nemo's swimming out the sea!
Nemo! What do you think you're doing? You're gonna get stuck out there, and I'm gonna have to get you.
You have to go back, Nemo, or your dad can drown you.
Get back here.
Now.
I said get back here.
I said go back, or your dad is gonna drown you now, Nemo.